So the page orientation is the property to set the printing direction of a document. The default orientation is portrait. You can change it to landscape also. To change the page orientation, follow the given step. Select the layout tab, then click on the orientation option. As I have shown you here, this is the orientation option. So from here you can choose the orientation button in the page setup group and then choose the landscape orientation from the drop down list and observe the change. Next is setting paper size. In Word 2016 you can work with a different size of paper, but the available selections depend on the type of printers you use. So if you want to change the size of the paper, so select the layout tab and then click on the size button in the page setup group. A list of the paper size option appears. The current paper size is highlighted in the top in the drop down list, and then select the desired page size option. The paper size of the document changes accordingly. Then click on the page setup dialog box launcher, or you can do it by clicking on the page setup dialog box launcher and then go to the page setup dialog box that will open like this. Here you can click on the paper tab option and then select the desired size from the paper size drop down list. Then observe the change in the preview block and click OK. Here, as you can see, this is the these are the options of first page or multi-purpose tray. Here you can more option. Here you can find the more option, and here you can find the page size like letter, width, height. So you can specify it according to your requirement, and then you can preview it by this option preview, and then apply to the whole document. If you want to apply it on the whole document, then click on the OK option. Next point is previewing a document. Word 2016 allow you to preview the document before printing. So follow the step to preview a document. Click on the file tab and then select the print option. A preview of your document automatically appear on the right side of the Word window. To view each page, click on the navigation button below the preview section. Here, as you can see, these are the details of the page that you want to. These are the options that you want to apply to your page that you are going to print out. So from here you can also can see the size that printing on one side or both side, or orientation or letter or normal margin, etc. So you can magnify the view of the page by using the zoom slider bar on the bottom right corner of the preview. This is the zoom slider. Here you can zoom it. And if you want to print more than one copy of the document, so you can choose between the collected and uncollected option in the setting option. If there are 10 pages in a document and you want to print 5 copies, then collected option will print the complete copy of your document, that is from page 1 to 10, and then it will again printing the next copy, whereas the uncollected option will print all the 5 copies of the first page and then it will print the next copy of the subsequent pages. Likewise, like first pages 5 copies, then second pages 5 copies, like this. Okay, next one is printing a document. After checking the preview of the document, you can follow the given step to print it. Click on the file tab and then click on the print option. Choose the printer from the printer properties drop down list and enter the number of copies in the copies pin box. Under the settings section, click on the arrow next to the printer all page to choose any option. Selecting the print all pages. Selecting the print all pages will print entire document. Selecting the print selection option, print only the selected text. Selecting the print current page, print only the selected page from your document. And choosing the custom print option, print the specified range of pages from the document. After selecting all the required option, click on the print button.